In this time of uncertainty, many of us are thinking about the future. At DVRPC, we're also thinking about the future and planning for the year 2050. The world is always changing, which is why we do long-range plans and why we update them on a regular basis. One thing that's clear is that we can't predict or plan for everything. There'll always be something that surprises us. Still, maybe now more than ever, planning for the future is critical.
What does this region want to become?
The big picture is multimodal transportation for everybody. So whether you're trying to get to a park, whether you're trying to get to work, your kids are trying to get to school, it's all interconnected and it's easy to get there without getting into a car.
Our region is both large and diverse in its people, its geography, and how we choose where we live and how we travel. That diversity is at the core of our long-range plan for 2050.
I view my role and the role of elected officials as helping to create communities that are equitable. If we can reach that across our region, this will be the most dynamic and exciting place to live in the United States.
We're calling it an inclusive prosperity. We want to create high-tech opportunities for our children's future.
Technology is really opening up a lot of opportunities for us.
As planners, we're always trying to look over the horizon to see what's next. One of the future forces we need to be aware of is climate change. And we need to plan for a future where we may see more flooding, where we may see more heat impacts on our infrastructure. By planning now for the year 2050, we can make better choices about where and how to invest. It could be major projects, or it can be as simple as putting in a bus stop to give people shelter.
It's very hard to see the impact of one isolated decision on an entire region. That's what regional planning does. It's looking from 30,000 feet with data and information and trends.
Our job is not to predict what the world will look like in 2050, but long-range planning helps us prepare for the future, no matter what